This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter change. Open the driver's side door and pull the hood release lever located by the kick panel. Pull the hood safety latch forward, then raise the hood. Remove the oil filler cap from the valve cover to allow the oil to flow more easily. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Place a floor jack under one side of the vehicle, positioning it under the reinforced frame area, then raise the front of the vehicle. Support it with a jack stand placed under the notched area of the rocker panel seam. Then lower the vehicle onto the jack stand and remove the jack. If raising both sides of the vehicle, move the floor jack to the opposite side and place it under the reinforced frame area on that side. Raise the front of the vehicle, then place a second jack stand under the notched area on that rocker panel seam and lower the floor jack. When raising both sides of the vehicle, make sure the vehicle is level. Use a screwdriver to unlock the oil filter access panel and oil drain plug access panels and remove the panels. Loosen the oil pan drain plug. Position a drain pan under the engine oil drain plug. Remove the drain plug. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended. Allow the old oil to drain into the pan. Once the oil has completely drained, clean the drain plug and the opening on the oil pan. Reinstall the drain plug and turn it clockwise by hand. Carefully move the drain pan from under the engine oil drain plug. Tighten the drain plug securely. Position a drain pan under the engine oil filter. Loosen the oil filter by turning it counterclockwise with a filter wrench. Once the filter is loose, use your hands to unscrew it from the block. Using a clean rag, wipe off the mounting surface of the block. Also, be sure that none of the old gasket remains stuck to the mounting surface. It can be removed with a scraper if necessary. Compare the old filter with the new one to be sure they are the same. Pour some oil into the filter, then smear oil around the rubber gasket or O-ring seal of the new filter. Screw the new filter into place. Over-tightening the filter will damage the gasket, so don't use a filter wrench. Most filter manufacturers recommend tightening the filter by hand only. Normally, they should be tightened 3/4 of a turn after the gasket contacts the block, but be sure to follow the directions on the filter or the box it came in. Reinstall the oil drain plug access panel and oil filter access panel and tighten their locks using a screwdriver. Raise one side of the vehicle at a time, then remove the jack stand and lower that side to the ground. Then raise the other side of the vehicle and remove that jack stand. Remove the chock from the rear wheels. Remove the oil filler cap from the valve cover and place a funnel into the opening. Using the funnel to prevent spills, initially pour 5 quarts of the correct type of fresh oil into the engine, and then wait a few minutes to allow the oil to drain into the pan. Pull out the oil dipstick and wipe it clean of all oil with a paper towel or clean rag. Insert the clean dipstick all the way back into the tube until it seats completely, then pull it out. Note the oil at the end of the dipstick. Once the oil level is between the min and max marks on the crosshatch, fully insert the dipstick and install the filler cap hand tight. Start the engine and allow the new oil to circulate. Allow the engine to idle for about a minute. While the engine is running, look under the vehicle to check for leaks at the oil pan drain plug and around the oil filter in the engine compartment. If either one is leaking, stop the engine and tighten the plug or filter until it is secure. Turn the engine off and wait a few minutes. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary to bring the level up to the max mark.